Now friends, as you see, the dumpling dhokli or the stuffed dal dhokli is ready, and the dal dhokli, the stripped dal dhokli is ready. So let me just show it to you. There you see, it's wonderfully cooked and it's a wholesome one-pot meal. This can be eaten as is, or you can have it with jeera rice or just plain steamed rice. I call it desi pasta. Now let me show you the stuffed dumpling. So there you go. It's wonderfully cooked and it's steaming hot. There you go. Yes, it's steaming hot. This also is a one-pot wholesome meal, and you can have it as is. When you don't feel like making rice or rotis, you can have it as is, or you can have it with jeera rice or plain steamed rice. Enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my recipes. Do let me know your comments as to how you like this recipe, and if you tried it out, how did it turn out to be. I'm all ears. Bye-bye.